this is an example of a campaign, and Matt touched on this before. We had, what was it for? Oh yeah, this was a campaign for us to get clients in the mortgage industry to generate qualified leads for them. So we wanted mortgage brokers, you guys call them loan officers, I think. We wanted to get these people coming to us to buy leads from us for people who wanted to get mortgages. And so we put a bunch of these lists up. So a lookalike list or a custom audience is when you grab your customer base, the emails, and then you upload them into Facebook, because it's kind of like a kickstart. So if I start off with no list, I'm going to have the pixel, it's slowly going to figure out who I want. If I upload, hey, here's my top 200 clients, go and find people just like that, it's like a jetpack. It's going to go a lot better. Right? So we tested it out with a bunch of different things. A lot of these were interests. So we had people who had an interest listed as financial planner, accountant, mortgage broker, real estate agent. But we put a list of our clients in there, and we created what's called a lookalike audience. So people who look like my target customer. Okay. The best kind of audience is the people that have given you money. The second best kind of audience is just the people that have previous leads that have signed up before for a phone call or added to cart or whatever it is that they've done. Right? But the best type of people are the ones that have given you money before.
If you want to generate highly qualified leads and sales, then this video is just a taste of the real secrets of marketing and business that you need to know. The secrets come from the real experts, not the gurus who spend their time speaking at industry events, but the industry leaders who are using what they know to run their own businesses and acquire assets. These are the people the famous gurus go to for help and advice behind closed doors. One of these behind-the-scenes leaders is Ben Simkin. Huffington Post named him the #1 Facebook marketer in the world, and he's been featured in Forbes and Inc. magazine for having generated over $1.45 billion in sales using Facebook advertising. Ben flew to Los Angeles to hold a small and exclusive workshop just for his friends and close clients, where he shared his newest strategies for business growth and Facebook marketing. For a limited time, Ben has decided to make the complete video recordings of this workshop available. You'll be able to see every strategy he shared and how he helped the workshop attendees apply the strategies to their own businesses. You'll also hear from two of his good friends, Jared Codling and Ulysses Usana, who revealed the PR secrets of large companies, how to position yourself as the go-to in your industry using strategic media placement, and how to growth hack with the latest automation and tools to give yourself an edge over the competition. To grab these recordings while they're available, go to www.themastermind.com.au/recordings or just click the link in the description below.